Hello and welcome to PSDynamics Weekly Challenge. This week's challenge is focused on handstands. Whether you already started or planning on getting into the handstand game, you need to get used to being upside down and prepare your upper body for loading. Start with your hands on the ground and align shoulders and head with your arms and just stand. Thereafter, you can move to a higher surface to increase the load on your arms. Once comfortable in this position, you can start mobilizing your shoulders to get them even straighter. Challenge yourself by lifting your legs up, but make sure you're still leaning a bit towards where you're looking so that you don't fall backwards. The next step is to try and attempt a push-up in this position. Note that this is a conditioning exercise and you still may be able to do a handstand even if you cannot do many press-ups. Move your legs to a higher surface once comfortable to increase the loading on your arms. Now, the most obvious exercise to get your handstands better is just standing on your hands next to the wall. You should be very careful when trying a handstand, and it might be easier if someone helps you. The person helping you will lift your leg up, and then, once you had enough standing on your hands, will put one of your legs down. Please agree with your partner which leg and when will be lifted and brought down before you try this. This next level is for those who have already been doing handstands. While you might have been doing them successfully on your own, it is important to make sure your body is not in banana shape while standing on your hands. Keep your leg, hip, abdominal and trunk muscles engaged in a neutral position. This will help you to gain more control over your body when upside down. You can also do hip extensions in a handstand position. It's a good idea to try and use mirror to check your alignment and correct it by straightening and engaging core muscles and pointing your feet towards the ceiling. Another good conditioning exercise is wall climber. It will help you to develop the muscles necessary for the handstand, but don't forget to keep your abdominals engaged throughout the exercise. For the grand finale, we will be attempting to get away from the wall, because everyone wants to do handstands without the wall. For this exercise, you will stand near the wall with one leg touching the wall, and once you engage all the muscles, you will try to get both of your legs together and stop yourself from falling backwards. If you're comfortable with standing near the wall, and even without a wall, that means you're moving towards a more advanced level. Here are some exercises for you. Warm up your shoulders with controlled side-to-side weight shifts. Then attempt shifting your weight to one side to the point where you would be able to lift the other hand off the ground slowly, even if it's just for a little bit. The next conditioning exercise will be trying to rotate around yourself until you face the wall, and then continue to make the whole circle. Try doing it slowly at first, with control, and then increase the fluidity of movement once comfortable. And of course, the last exercise will be handstand push-ups. Don't worry if you cannot do the full push-up yet. Even if you do a half or a quarter, it still counts. Just make sure you're not falling down on your head. A good way to improve your handstand push-ups is to try doing the eccentric push-ups, which means lowering yourself down and then going back to the handstand, and then repeating that as many times as you can. Now, if you're a pro at the wall handstand push-ups, I am challenging you to try to do one behind your head. Good luck and don't break your neck. I hope this challenge will help you to improve your handstands and motivate you to try handstands if you haven't done them before. Comment below which level you managed to get to and tag me in your attempts. Don't forget to like, share and follow me for more content, and see you soon in the next video.